Welcome, today in front of me Honor 20 and I'll show you how to take screenshot without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and then scroll down to the smart assistance. Now just tap here to the motion control and here you'll see the 3-finger screenshot section. Tap there and now just you should tap once on the switcher to enable this option, and now just when you will swipe down with your 3-finger on the screen at the same time you can take a screenshot. You can share with the screen with someone if you want. You can edit the screen, but also you can delete this screenshot. And now if you wanna just find the screenshot, you can find him in the gallery application. Here when you will just enter the gallery, you will find here the screenshots folder with all your previously taken screenshots, or also here on the photo stock you can also find all your taken screenshots. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.